Still outside, still there. You're clear all around, clear all around. Clear high if you need it, clear high. Still down there, hold what you got. Still there. Come on, clear all around, clear all around, clear all around. Still clear all around, still all clear. There you go, nice and smooth here. 6 to go this time by, 6 to go. Still clear all around, still clear all around. Clear by 3 here, clear by 3. Now 1 back. There you go, just stay hooked up here. 5 to go this time, stay hooked up here. Keep working that bottom, bud. Still all clear. Now working outside of you, outside here. Keep dragging that brake a little bit. There you go. Still out there, still outside. Keep doing what you're doing, bud. Keep working that bottom. Still outside, still there. There you go, just come on around this slow car on the bottom. He's off the track here, clear low. Still outside, still out there. Okay, this 43, the 43 and the 54 are the next tandem behind you. If they swap, you're going to have to pick up that 43, okay? You keep doing what you're doing for now. Keep doing what you're doing for now. They broke apart now. Caution's out. Caution's out for debris. Caution's out. This will be good. You can get her cooled down now. Yes, 10-4.
Austin, do not pull down. If you start on this outside, do not pull down until after you pass the start and finish. You got it?
10-4.
All right, see if you can work something with Kirk to push him here, Andy. I don't know. You got the 54 backers, probably going to want him to win. We just do the best we can. You've done a great job, buddy. All of you have.
Yeah, Richard, see that 54 is going to be out of the picture here. It's going to be a green, white checkered. He's got all the lead lap cars are going to be at the front. So I think it's our only hope for the one is to use us.
Okay, and he'll try to pass you coming on the right before you get to the trioval if you're out front.
Yeah, 10-4. 10-4.
And I don't know if you want to run the middle. Ask him if you're faster in the middle or right on the bottom or what.
Yeah, 10-4. No, they're restarting second here. They're restarting second. Okay, you got your lucky dog coming here. Lucky dog coming.
All got a plan in place?
When you throw the green here, you go and you pull in front of the one, okay? You go and pull in front of the one when they throw the green, okay?
10-4, bud. 10-4.
You know you can't see you pass the start and finish, though. You know that.
Yeah, I'll tell you when you're clear and when to go. Like I said, do not change lanes before the start finish.
Green, white, checkered here, bud. Time to go to guns.
Okay, now I'm seeing that one and the 43 talking here, so I don't know. We'll just try it. We'll just try it and see what happens. Yeah, but you know how it is, Dylan. I mean, just get a good restart here. Just get a good restart. Try to get down in front of that one, okay? 43 and the one's coming at you. Block high here. Looking outside. Outside. 43's with you now. Back up to him here. Come on. 3 wide on the bottom. 2 wide on the bottom. Got that 43 pushing here. Still pushing you. Come on. 31's pushing to 43 here too. Keep doing what you're doing. Yep, you are together. 43's still with you. Coming to the white. They're all around. They're all around. Whatever you need. Got them inside of you now. Inside. Hold your line. 43's with you. They're all around behind the 6. All clear. Whatever you need. White flag.
You'll have a run down the back stretch draft.
They're broke apart there in front of you. Go to the bottom here. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. Come on. 43 still with you. Still pushing here. They're all around. They're all around. Whatever you need now when you get over here. Whatever you need.
Don't break apart over here off of 2 to try to win. Y'all keep pushing.
Keep pushing here. Keep pushing. 43 still pushing here. Come on. Still with you. Still with you. He's still with you. Come on. Oh, hang on to it. Hold the brake. 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 Oh. You okay, bud? Hang on. I know. You're still wrecking here.
You alright? Fine, I'm fine, I'm fine.
Okay, bud. Good job.
Checkered, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm fine, guys. Fine.
Hell of a run at it, buddy. You did what you had to do. Good job, guys.
Finish 4. Good job.
You did a hell of a job, bud. Hell of a good job right there.
Good job today, guys. Real proud of this team here. Hell of a job.
Austin just made the move when he was trying to win. That's what you got to do.
Oh, yeah. That 43 was still pushing. It just turned sideways.
Yeah, that's what you got to do.
Good job, Houston, today. And you know where our car is? Is it getting towed or what?
Looking for an official now. See what he tells me. I don't think he really knows what he's saying in the garage area.
Ben, he said they're going to bring you back to the garage.